This is Salma from Discover My Business. Let me just be quick here. I was actually going through a paving company search and I came across your ad, which probably does not have any call out extension or anything attractive that would actually minimize your budget and increase your conversion rate. Let me just break it down to you because it's completely free. Here's an example of one of our client who does not spend more than you. I assure you that they're just minimizing their budget and utilizing the maximum benefits out there. They have a description, call out extensions, and also site link extensions. Site link extensions actually direct your leads to the landing page. It is actually decreasing your pay per click and increasing your conversion rate. I mean, that's the whole point of having the ad on your Google page. This is probably costing you a lot. I mean, you're overspending in a way that you're not getting enough leads, the good quality leads. So for that purpose, you actually need to make a few changes on your Google ads. You don't have to spend more, you just have to manage it properly, because that way your conversion rate will be higher. It's easier for the client, and it's also you minimizing your budget. And the more easy and the more appealing it is to the lead, the better it is for you. So let's connect and discuss how we can minimize your budget and increase your conversion rate.